This is the SANUS Advanced Tilt TV wall mount, which fits TVs 42 to 90 inches and holds up to 150 pounds. This mount is unique compared to all other tilting mounts because it extends 5.7 inches away from the wall to allow maximum tilt with even the biggest TVs. This extension also allows easy access to the back of the TV to quickly hook up cables. You can adjust the TV tilt with the touch of a fingertip, no tools required. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect positioning. An audible click confirms your TV is safely attached to the wall. Hide an electrical outlet or box behind your mounted TV. Thinking of cutting the cord? Check out our streaming device panel to hide your streaming device or other small accessories behind your TV. The advanced tilt mount is perfect when installing your TV up high or above a fireplace. It reduces glare from lights and windows, offers easier access to the back of your TV, protects children and pets from TV tipovers, and adds space and style to your room. Enjoy the easy 3-step install. Simply attach brackets to your TV, attach wall plate to your wall, and hang your TV on wall plate. SANUS is the #1 brand of TV wall mounts. All SANUS premium mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty.